major winter storm in the Northeast. By tomorrow, 12 inches of snow could be on the ground in some of our major cities. Good evening, I'm Christina Abernathy.
And I'm Janetta Jones. We'll also take a look at what the weather will be like for the troops headed to Bosnia. But first, we will concentrate on the major storm headed to the Northeast. And we take you to Texas, first of all, to what is going on. Here's all that moisture riding up out of the Gulf of Mexico and into the eastern seaboard. And wrapped around that is that area of low pressure. And we will zoom in on it for you now. This is where the heavier showers and thunder showers are located. And on the back edge of this is where we have the snow and the freezing drizzle and even a little bit of rain. So a lot of problems in association with this particular storm system. In fact, we have the potential for severe weather through late tonight. Severe thunderstorm and even tornado warnings are in effect. And watch out. We could see some dangerous lightning, some large hail, gusty winds. We've had winds gusting up 30 and 40 miles per hour. Potential there for tornadoes. So keep it tuned here and we'll keep you advised. Check out where our frontal boundary is. Here's the low. Here we have the snow on the back edge and the much, much colder temperatures. Childress, Texas has now changed over to snow. We are looking at some showers in parts of Oklahoma and thunderstorms out ahead of this particular system. So all kinds of problems as you are out and about tonight. It's probably not a good idea to be out because of the heavy amounts of rain that we are reporting to you. Look at this. The yellows, the reds, the oranges. That's where we have the severe thunderstorms with the precipitation actually reaching as far north as New England. Not quite reaching the ground yet in New York City, but it will be there. Don't worry. We'll have more on that in the forecast. Okay, zooming in on Oklahoma. Oklahoma City has been reporting some snow now. So is Enid and Gage, Oklahoma. But raining still in Kansas City and Jefferson City and on into Little Rock, Arkansas. All still rain and heavy at times. Starting to clear out for you in Lake Charles and New Orleans, Louisiana. Good riddance, right? Because it has been a nasty day with the showers and thunder showers. But look to your east. We are talking about some really wicked weather into the Florida Panhandle. Montgomery, Ozark, Dothan, all reporting thunder showers. I-20 from Birmingham into Atlanta, just a nightmare tonight. Atlanta is seeing all kinds of lightning and gusty winds and heavy downpours. Raining in Greenville and Spartanburg, South Carolina, and rain in Richmond and Roanoke, Virginia, too. And like I said, not any precipitation reaching the ground in New York City yet. However, in Philadelphia, they are already reporting some light snow. The same is true in Trenton, New Jersey. So it's just a matter of time before that snow moves into the Big Apple, and we could see it stay there for quite some time.
Well, let's take a look at what's going on the other side of the country. In the west, we're not seeing quite as much active weather here, but what we are dealing with is a little wet weather as we head into the Pacific Northwest, a little fog here, and even a little snow in some of the higher elevations, and head farther to the south, and we are dealing with this area of low pressure, keeping things a little stirred up. Let's take a look at it on the south. Monster of a storm is setting up here. It's already left behind its mark in the form of torrential rains, up to 6-7 inches of rain in some locations, and some snow has started to fall in Oklahoma and Kansas. Now all of this is going to pick up the moisture in the Gulf of Mexico and slide eastward. As that happens, a coastal low is going to form, but we'll get to that in a moment. As for right now, what you need to do. So keep that in mind. Here's what's going to be happening. We're going to see...
Wake up to a special action news starting at 5 a.m. with the latest on the storm from AccuWeather and live commuter reports on all traffic and travel conditions. That's Action News at a special time, tomorrow starting at 5 a.m.
Lisa Marie.